Installing ceramic mosaics involves several key steps for a flawless finish. Begin by preparing the surface, ensuring it's clean, dry, and level. Mix your adhesive according to instructions and apply it evenly to the surface. Next, carefully lay out your mosaic tiles. Following your pre-planned design, use a rubber mat to gently tap each tile into place, ensuring they're evenly spaced. Once all tiles were set, allow the adhesive to cure as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Finally, apply grout. Using a grout float to fill the gaps between tiles. Wipe away any excess grout with a damp sponge and let it dry. With these steps, you'll achieve a stunning mosaic that adds character and style to your space.